Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to check your order on Shein. So first of all, launch open Shein application. You can see over here Shein application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the shop interface. So if you want to check your orders, it is actually very simple. Tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find this section for my orders. Tap on this option, view all that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to view all of your orders over here. You can also see the unpaid orders, processing orders, shipped orders, and the orders that you can review. If you have placed any order, you can also track the order from here. So like this, you'll be able to check the orders. So that is how you check order on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.